Hello and welcome to Tech Titan Reviews. Get ready to have your mind blown as we delve into the future of wearable technology. Today, we're unveiling the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, an advanced smartwatch that's set to redefine what you expect from your wearable tech. Whether you're an athlete, an outdoor enthusiast, or just someone who values cutting edge technology, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is about to elevate your experience to new heights. The excitement around this release is palpable, and Garmin, a titan in the world of fitness and outdoor technology, is poised to launch a game changer. The Fenix 8 Pro isn't just any smartwatch. It's a comprehensive health and performance optimizer combined with rugged adventure capabilities, all encased in a sleek and stylish design. Before we dive into the groundbreaking features of the Fenix 8 Pro, let's take a quick look back at its predecessors, the Fenix 7 series, especially the Fenix 7 Pro. With its incredible AMOLED display, the Fenix 7 set a high bar for durability, innovation, and performance. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is expected to continue the tradition of versatile sizing options, ensuring there's a model to fit every wrist comfortably. Garmin is rumored to introduce two sophisticated color variants for the Fenix 8 Pro, the sleek slate gray steel and the classic jet black. Each color will be paired with a refined black band, offering a perfect blend of style and functionality. The Fenix 8 Pro is rumored to come with a stunning AMOLED screen. Picture this: vibrant colors, razor-sharp contrasts, and a visual experience that's light years ahead of its predecessors. We're talking about more precise heart rate monitoring, advanced sleep tracking, and possibly even new metrics to give you a comprehensive view of your well-being. The Fenix 8 Pro is rumored to come with advanced GPS features, better mapping, and possibly new sensors to help you navigate your adventures with even greater. Expect the latest in smartwatch technology, including improved connectivity options, smarter notifications, and enhanced integration with other devices and apps. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is shaping up to be more than just a smartwatch. It's a personal performance coach, a health advocate, and an adventure companion, all rolled into one. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the rumored features and updates in our next video. If you're excited about the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro and want to stay up to date with the latest tech news and reviews, make sure to subscribe to Tech Titan Reviews. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below, and we'll catch you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring and stay tech savvy. Bye for now.